All right, guys, I did not expect to be at the airport today. So yesterday I had this crazy opportunity I could not pass, which is to interview the CEO of a top crypto exchange, and that is Ben from Bybit. Now, why is this so important for me, and I guess also for our channel, is because this is the final piece of the puzzle. Knowing what the exchanges are doing and thinking is super important for planning how to make the best out of this bull run. You get to see what they're doing because I'm going to go straight into their offices, and because they have to spin up all the operations way before the full bull market comes, we can really get a gauge of how aggressive they are. That's what I'm really excited to see.
So this is the lobby. This building
It's actually quite big, actually.
It's big. So this building is we have a whole building. This building in Singapore used to be a bookstore.
Really?
That's why you have all the escalators you see. So here it's all of the BD team. Some of them, and you have someone doing some exercise right now.
Are you hanging them?
I don't even know. I think it's a hanging challenge. I think. I think they're doing like a hanging challenge. We actually have we do all hands here, and you see the screen there. We roll it down, and then we have like all staff meetings here.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
So guests will come here. So this floor is I don't know why it's called proof of work. Maybe I don't know. I think it's all the
No one's
decorations.
working here.
Yeah. No one's working here. Yeah, we got some sponsorship going. Red Bull.
Right.
Yeah. So this is I think this is a milestone of Bybit. Some people doing some exercise here.
Hey, we should do that soon.
Yeah, no,
should
I never come here. I never come near here. This is cool. This is the actual F1 formulator
Oh, really?
simulator
Okay.
that the drivers do trainings in. So we got one because we're the sponsor of Red Bull, and the team sometimes come and play. So the office is completely open, and people just sit wherever they want. There isn't designated seats. So the second floor, where they call the layer one.
The layer one, okay.
Layer one.
Okay, because programmers, right?
Yes. So these are actually some of the support teams, programmers, and this is the kind of the dining area where they have dining. And we have a Starbucks machine.
A Starbucks
So,
machine.
Yes, you can.
Also, it's branded. It's actually branded Starbucks.
It is actually Starbucks. So here
Oh.
the coffee is Starbucks, so you can click anyone you want. And it says guest top up, yeah?
Nice.
By the way, everything in Bybit is all free. So even the vending machine there, you just click and you can get it. Do you want to get one? Why don't
Sure,
you get one?
sure,
Get a drink.
I'll get a drink. $0. Nice.
All right.
You treat
got,
them all.
What is this? Cocoa
Coconut
drink?
drink. It's
Coconut drink?
my sponsor.
Yeah,
Not
some-
sponsored by you.
Sometimes they eat noodles, Pringles, chips, whatever. There's lunch. We provide lunch every Friday.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, every Friday. People. That's the way to get people come to the office because they
Is
get
it work
free
from
lunch.
home?
We require to come, but sometimes they don't come because the office cannot fit everyone. We have about 400 people in Singapore.
So do they have like their own desks and tables or something?
No, it's all free. So they just walk around,
they
they
just
sit
walk
wherever
around.
they want. Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay.
this is actually developers. You see, they have all these gaming chairs. So these chairs are like super comfortable.
Right.
They have they love those little phone booths. So when they have meetings, they don't interact other people.
So this is where the programmers are.
Yeah, these are all the programmers.
It's a lot of programmers actually.
Yeah, and then they play tennis, table tennis here.
Oh, nice.
So during lunch and then like after hour, you can always hear ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. Yeah. So whenever we have someone new, we will show them the picture of what they do and stuff, and so everyone knows who's new and they meet them. Yeah.
Does everyone know everyone in the office, or is it like
Most of them, yeah. And because it's developer floor, you see the monitor of the system. If any alarms triggers, this will trigger, and then their chair would shake. No, I'm just kidding. But they would know.
Ben will throw a drink at you.
I should show you the one of the toilet. It says token burning. So it says token burning, and each floor have a different theme. all the meeting rooms are always occupied. So here is more like IT support, like the tech support for computers and things, HR, financing. They're on the top floor.
Also, this is the admin,
This,
ops.
yeah, legal compliance, right? This whole area here. People play poker here at night. They will set up a table here, and then we
there
turn this
karaoke
whole
rooms at
floor.
night and just they
There
can
is a
sing?
karaoke downstairs. There's a karaoke room downstairs. I forgot to show you, but there is one. And that's our live stream room where we just did a live stream.
Yep.
And that's my office.
Oh, that's a
I
big
got
office. That's a big office.
Yeah, I got the wing for the car.
Oh, is that the real wing?
Yeah, that's the real wing from last year.
Oh.
And then I have a whole tea set. So I do tea ceremony.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
fancy. Nice. What's your like favorite pastime here? Like, would you ever go down and just like like play ping pong with someone?
Yeah. We do karaoke. We play
Is he
poker.
good? Is he actually good?
I'm pretty good. All right, that's
All right,
about
that's
it.
it. That's about it.
Yeah.
Nice. That's great. Perfect.